Hello, Crafty Miners, and welcome to the World of Raar. And today we're going to continue on the Monson Heights lobby build, and hopefully today is going to be the last day, so let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the project here. Today we're going to button up a few things, and starting off here we're going to increase the space around the elevators, and this is in preparation to install some hidden lighting features. And yeah, we've got a lot of other little things to touch up on, but mostly we're going to add some lights using carpet. We're also going to add a cool new fountain to the center of this room, and hopefully the design works. I have kind of an idea in mind, but we won't really know until we start playing around with it. Also, we're going to be changing the channel up a little bit. Some of you might have noticed the new thumbnails that we've made for each of the 8 videos so far. And that is to kind of bring everything in line with the new system that we're going to be doing. It's going to be a building series. And basically we're just going to be going along through the World of Raar and building cool new buildings and exploring ones that are already existing. And so yeah, I'm really excited for that, and I hope you guys will be too. So right here, I'm just knocking these out so that we can add our glowstone in here. And once the glowstone's added, you can put carpet right over top of it, and we're going to do a little design that I've used in other builds that I really like. I think it really looks good. There we go. And so here's the carpet. So I'm just doing a border of the gray. And there we go. And then the light gray carpet in the middle. Oops. What do you think about that? I think that looks pretty cool. So over here, this is where I was testing it out. There's actually no glowstone underneath, so we're gonna have to knock all this out and put some glowstone underneath. So with the new year, what kind of things have you guys been up to? Christmas was pretty exciting. We went traveling down to the States, and I got a lot of cool new Minecraft things for Christmas. I got a light up torch and a creeper mug and lots of architecture books and even an Art Deco book, which really looks pretty cool. What kind of things did you guys get for Christmas? I'd love to hear about that. You could write it down in the comments there. There we go. We got that all done. So what do you think of that? That looks pretty good, and it'll look pretty good once we get the doors on. And next up, we're gonna button a few things up here. We're gonna put some carpet on top of these lamps. There we go, and there we go. And I think we're gonna go ahead and add a few extra lamps in here because it's still a little dark. So all we need to do that is to get a hopper, and we need to knock a hole in this wall here. I think centered here would be good. And we're just gonna put the glowstone there and carpet on top and the hopper into the wall. So that looks like a cool little wall sconce. And we'll do the same over here. Redstone and the lamp and carpet on top. There we are. Now I'm gonna do this over on the other side, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we got all the sconces done, and we've got the roof started to be filled in here, and I noticed we need to change this design a bit. And we're just gonna run some upside down quartz stairs to kind of block this in. I've decided we're not going to use this window. We're just going to kind of block it off. And I think that's just going to be the best looking design for this particular area. So we're just going to run some more of these blocks across like that, and there we go. And we're just going to keep going along and filling in this ceiling. Alright, that's the last block of that, and there we go, looking pretty good. So next up, we're gonna take care of the lighting around the elevators here, and we're gonna do exactly how we did it at the entrance. So we're gonna bust out these blocks, and we're gonna put some glowstone down, and I think we'll do the same carpet design as what we did at the entrances. I just need to go grab my glowstone here because I placed it in my toolbar. Here we go. And so we're just gonna put that down here, just like that. And here we go. We'll run this carpet down here like this. And there we go. And that looks pretty good. Sweet. Okay. Now for this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing this and keep buttoning this thing up, and we will see you in a minute. Okay, so now we're going to work on our fountain. To do that, we're just going to use some stairs here, and this is going to look pretty cool because the stairs, the bottom step is going to blend in with this half slabs that we got laid down, and so it's not like obvious that it's stairs. It just looks like a little pond wrapping around here. And now we're just gonna put this block like that. There we go. And now we're just gonna knock this out because this will be a good place that we can hide some more lighting. And we get the glowstone out, put it down in the bottom here. Perfect. Now, let's see. I've got a few kind of ideas of what I want to do here for the center, but maybe let's put the water in first, and then we can decide how we want it to look. Here we go. We're just going to put the water in and level it all out. There we go. And now, let's see. Now we get to design this. I don't really have... I know I want to put something in the center here, but I'm not sure what. Maybe some columns like this, and maybe we can do some potted plants. Oh, come on down. So, oh, that's kind of close to that lamp up there. I'm not sure if I really like that. What if we just take these anvils out and do this? Does that look any better? No. No, that doesn't look right at all. Okay, I'm gonna play around with this and I will bring you guys back when I've got something that we can use. I'll see you in a second. Alright, so I got sort of an idea going on here. Thinking because the bushes are too high, maybe we do some like little potted plants here, except that the pots are floating. But I kind of like the look of the end stone there. I wonder if where's it at? There it is. I wonder if we put one of these in, if that will stop that floating. Oh, yeah, there we go. And let's have a look. Yeah, that looks a little better. I think we're gonna do something like that, but I think we're gonna try a couple of different plants just to see what it looks like. So we know we're gonna put these here, and let's see what kind of, let's use birch. Maybe that white will kind of coordinate with the white in the building here, and we'll try a fern because, well, I like ferns. How's that look? That looks pretty good. I like that. Okay, now let's try the fern. Gotta put our pots back. And there we go. It kind of blends in too much. Just that dark green color I kind of like how there's got some white in there, and it just kind of stands out a little bit. I think that's what we'll do. I think that's what we're gonna go with. What do you guys think? You like it? Let me know. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, well, that's it for this portion, and all that's left to do is the walkthrough. So we'll see you in a second. All right, and here we are back at Monson Heights, and here's the completely finished product. Here's the front doors now, and into our beautiful Art Deco lobby. I think this has turned out real fabulous. What do you guys think? Leave a like if you really enjoyed this project, and I know I've enjoyed it, and spending time with you guys and all of your input. There's a better look at those doors from the inside. Looking pretty good. And yeah, so now it's time to move on to other projects. I think we will be able to do a full walkthrough now of this, and we'll meet you again in the next episode. And so until then, happy crafting!